here it is. It's a Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. I have ordered it on pre-order, and probably I am one of the first few customers of this. Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 Classic mentioned on the side. So I've bought the LTE version. These are the two straps that we need to pull, and there's another one here which we need to remove. Let's see what comes in the box. We have the watch itself. There's something here as well. We can take this out. This is some literature, some manual on this side. Okay, that's the wireless charging connector. Right here you can see. I believe there is it's a type C kind of a cable, and that's the wireless connector which you charge, and the cable is decent sized. Keep it on the side. There's nothing in this box. Keep the watch for now on the sides. Guidance on how to fit the straps, because this is how the straps are. So these are the black color leather straps. They are not real leather. It feels as if it's leather on top, but they are silicone straps, so they are good for workouts as well. They will not go bad. And let's power on the device. So I will not be doing an in-depth review on this as of now. I will be using this watch for the next few days and then giving my review on how the watch is. For now, I'm just giving you the first look. That's how the watch straps get connected. You push it across and then just press and it connects. Similarly for this as well. Yeah, that's how you push it and the watch is ready. Neat and clean. It looks like a normal watch. This, as I said, this is a classic watch, so you have that rotating bezel which was missed in the Watch 7 last year, but now here you have it. It's the classic and it really looks nice. There are 3 buttons. 1, 2, 3. I guess I will let you know in my review what these buttons do and how it is to use this watch. For now, you can see everywhere. This is the for now you can see how the watch is. These are the sensors. Apparently they are the upgraded sensors, and that's the brand. That's the band, and that is how this watch looks from the front. I will connect it to my phone and show you how the first screen looks. If you have a Galaxy phone around, apparently it will auto detect on the phone. So let's see if that is done. I switched on the watch and the phone is right next to it. Let us see whether it gives us a prompt. Yes, there you can see it gives us a prompt right here on the Galaxy phone. This is a Fold that I'm using. Let's click connect. that is the watch for you. A lovely watch, and I will use it for next few days, and will give you performance updates. How the watch, how the watch charges, how the watch feels, what is the battery life on the watch, and how good are the measurements, how good are the features of this watch. Everything is what we'll speak in details.